Good morning guys, we are starting off with another morning adventure and today we are taking a boat ride to Mutharajavela. Mutharajavela is a natural marshland that is found in Negombo that dates back to up to 7,000 years and it's extremely large, covering an area of over 3,000 hectares. It's also the island's largest saline coastal peat bog. Over 102 different types of bird species can be found here. It's a literal bird paradise. The importance and the vitality and how precious they are to the environment can't be put into words and can't be put into value. This is a beautiful example of not everything that is precious can be put a value on.